What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, back again with another video. We're talking that funny money Friday. And if you didn't know, car makers and car part suppliers are going to start raising prices exponentially due to this wage war that they have going on with the UAW. That is aka the United Auto Workers Union. Okay? Now, one of the main points the strike is basically they are looking for a 40% wage increase. And they are also looking to get paid for 40 hours but only work 32. So basically, they want two 15-minute breaks paid for and their lunch to be paid for. Listen, I get it. Get your money. But where do they draw the line at? Where do they think will happen, or what do they think will happen when this money starts to trickle down to the consumers? Layoffs will start happening because people are going to stop paying for stuff. They might have to pay for that car to get fixed, but that will trickle down to somewhere else in the budget, and that deficit will be felt in the economy. So don't think these pay raises are only going to affect you positively, because it can affect you in a negative manner too. So that's it for today's funny money story. Check all the links in the description. Learn how to build business credit. Check the wealthbuildersystem.com if that's what you're into. Check out my fitness website, 5280fitness.com. That's the word 5280fitness.com. All right, and all those other links in the description too. I got a bunch of them, man. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.